Hi, I'm JD, and today what we're going to be doing is another system of equations. Now this system of equations is 2x minus 5 equals negative 13, and then you have y equals 2x minus 7. So try this on your own, and we're actually going to be using the elimination method, but you can also use the substitution method. So either which way you're going to get the right answer. So try this, pause the video, and see what you can do. Alright, hopefully you did all the steps, and also what you can do in the system of equations is plug in the answer into the original problem. To do that, you just plug it into here and into here, and I'll show you that after we once we get the solution. So I did say that we're doing elimination. So you could have used substitution, that's fine. The y is by itself, so again the opportunity arises, so you take it, so you're going to put 2x minus 7 and replace it with y. You can do that. But notice this, if I take this 2x right here in this equation and move it over to this side, I get negative 2x. Now that's going to be useful because when I add 2x and negative 2x, that cancels out. So let's do that. I'm going to rewrite this equation. So I have 2x minus 5y equals negative 13. And then I'm going to rewrite this one. I'm going to move this 2x over to the other side. When I do that, it changes the sign. So I have negative 2x plus y equals negative 7. Now, let's see what we get when we add the two equations together. When I add the two equations together, the x's cancel out. Negative 5y plus y gives you, negative 4y. Now what's negative 13 minus 7? It's a negative plus another negative. So if you're in debt $13 and then you lose $7 more, you're further in debt. So you're now in debt $20. So what are you going to do next? Well, pay off your debts, but that's a whole nother issue. What you want to do is solve for y. So to solve for y, you just divide both sides by negative 4. And then you get y equals a positive 5. Next, what you want to do is decide which one you're going to plug it in. When you plug it in, no matter which equation you plug it in, you're going to get the same answer. You can try that if you don't believe me. So I'm going to plug it into this one because the y is already by itself. So I have y equals, actually, you don't have y by itself. You're solving for x. So this would be 5. In this case, it doesn't matter which one you plug it in. Equals 2x minus y. So then you just solve for x. You add 7 to both sides. When you add 7 to both sides, 5 plus 7 is 12 equals, this is 2x. Now what are you going to do next? Divide both sides by 2. So you get x equals 6 and y equals 5. Or you can write that as a point, because when two lines intersect, you get a point. So that would be 6, 5. Now, like I said, you can check your solution. So to check your solution, what you can do is just plug each of those numbers into the original. And if you get true statements for both equations, then that means that yes, x equals 6 and y equals 5 would be solutions. So let me take the first equation. I have 2 times 6 minus, and then 5 times 5 equals negative 13. 2 times 6 is what? Yeah, 12. And what's 5 times 5? Yeah, 25. And so negative 13 on this side. Still a question mark. We don't know if they're equal. We're just checking it. And what's 12 minus 25? Yeah, it's negative 13. All right, what about the other guy? If I have, and let's do it up here, if I have 5 equals 2 times 6 minus 7. Now, this side is already simplified, the 5. So then you do 2 times 6, which is 12, minus 7. So you have 5 equals 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 is 5. So 5 equals 5. Does 5 equal 5? Yeah, so it makes a true statement. So this point right here, 6 comma 5, is a solution. And that's